What are the top 5 things you're going to love about Epique in Pelican Bay? Well, let's talk. My name is Mindy Sylvester, and I've been selling real estate in the Naples area for 25 years. And today we are going to talk about the newest, most luxurious high-rise building in Pelican Bay, Epique. But if this is your first time to the channel, go ahead and hit that subscribe button so you'll be the first to know about the latest real estate information in the Naples area. And first, I need to tell you, I do not represent the builder. I represent buyers who are purchasing new construction. If you go to the sales office without me, you are working with the agent who represents the developer. You need an agent to work for you, and that's what I do. And by the way, if you go in without an agent, they're not going to discount your price because you don't have an agent. So it's definitely in your best interest to have an agent like myself. I've sold over 100 new construction homes that can help you make decisions that will maximize your return on investment when you go to resell. I sold a lot of new construction and I know how to optimize all your choices so that when you go to resell, you're going to get the best price. Okay, so let's talk today about my top 5 favorite things about Epique. So hard to narrow it down. This is not necessarily in order, but definitely wait until the end because I don't know. I can't put them in order. They're all too good. All right, let's start with number 5. Number 5, 24-hour concierge. It's like you're living at the Four Seasons. Whatever you need, 24 hours a day, 24 hours a day, you pull up your car, they unload your groceries, they take them to your condo, they will get your dry cleaning, they will order groceries for you, they will make dinner reservations. I'm told there's pretty much not a lot they won't do. So it's pretty amazing. The service there is it's just exceptional. Now, how am I saying, why am I saying, oh, what they do this when it's not even built yet? Well, I'm referring to Mystique. When I say they do this, like they've already been doing it. Mystique was the building that is currently built, and Epique is the new building. So of course they don't have it yet, but they are going to have it. Okay, does that make sense? All right. So 24-hour concierge. How can you go wrong? I mean, someone's waiting on you hand and foot. Amazing. Okay, number 4, the amenities. World-class amenities, not just within Pelican Bay. Pelican Bay has its own set of fabulous amenities. You've got 2 beach clubs, the north and the south, with restaurants, a tram that takes you out there. You've got 2 tennis centers. They're building a brand new tennis center with pickleball courts, more tennis, state-of-the-art fitness center, spa. Of course, there's an optional golf course. There's so many amenities within Pelican Bay, but now you've got these beautiful amenities within Epique, which includes a gorgeous state-of-the-art fitness center. They're going to have a cold plunge, an infrared sauna, beautiful workout equipment. The theater room is absolutely to die for. You will want to gather your friends and family, watch the Super Bowl, watch movies. I can't show you pictures because of copyright issues, but I can definitely get you the info. So just contact me and I'll get you all the info, the photos and stuff, because it's spectacular. And one of the most used amenities that they learned when they built Mystique, the previous building, is the boardroom was the most used amenity. So they're definitely making sure there's a beautiful boardroom there. Of course, there's a beautiful swimming pool, spa. And here's the best part. Are you ready? There are only going to be 68 residences, and you're going to have your own restaurant. Your own restaurant in your building. How amazing is that? You can't beat those amenities. You cannot. I dare you, try to find better amenities in a building like this. It's absolutely spectacular. Okay, number 3, the floor plan and just the layout and the size. Now, it's very difficult to find large units like this on the beach. A majority of the beach units are 2 bedrooms or 3 bedrooms. These units are large. There are 4 different stacks. The O1 and the O4 stacks are 5 bedrooms or 4 bedroom plus den. And the middle stacks, the 2 and the 3, are 3 bedroom plus den. So, and they're big, between like over 4,000 square feet to 5,200 square feet. You've got a lot of size. And by the way, floor to ceiling windows, just a spectacular layout. Contact me. I'll get you the floor plans. Beautiful, very well thought out layout, and just open and spacious in the way it's laid out. It's gorgeous. I don't even know what the right word is. It's not even a good enough word for it. It's did I say spectacular already 5 times? Well, it's spectacular. Okay. Number 2, low density. I already mentioned this, 68 residences. Okay. So, you're going to get in the garage and you're going to go right up to your unit. You're not going to see anyone unless you really want to. Of course, there are social activities. You can meet people by the pool if you'd like, or at the amazing Pelican Bay amenities. But if you're a private person and you really just kind of want to be left alone, well, this is a great place to do it. Not very many people, 68 residences and your own restaurant. It's like having your own private restaurant. It's going to be absolutely amazing. All right. Number 1, the view, right? The view, the gorgeous Gulf waters, crystal blue waters. Oh, another thing I forgot to mention about the amenities is that where Epique is located is right by the tram. So you just it's a very short little jaunt there, and then boom, you're right out to the beach. But all of these units have gorgeous Gulf views, green views, just absolutely beautiful views. You will fall in love. And the fact that they made the windows floor to ceiling optimizes the view is absolutely spectacular. So if you want more information on the Epique, just give me a call. I will get you all the info. It is world class. So let me know if you have any questions, and I look forward to talking to you. Thanks for watching today. Have a great day.